light was lit beneath forgotten skies. A whisper rising where silence once cried. Long ago in the fields of old Joseon, yeah, dreams were chained by ancient stone. No hands to write, no voice to heal, but hope was stirring, quiet and real. Across the sea, a fire burned bright. Hearts were called to cross the night. Lanterns of hope, they carried the flame, teaching the lost, healing the lame. Not by sword, not by might, but by love they changed the night. Lanterns of hope, still burning in our name. With trembling hands they built and taught. High one carry what thought. Girls found their voice, the sick found a way. 1,000 seeds took root that day. Through trials fierce they would not fall. Their silent prayers outshone it all. Lanterns of hope, they carried the flame, teaching the lost, healing the lame. Not by sword, not by might, but by love they changed the night. Lanterns of hope, still burning in our name. Beneath stone walls, the words remain. To heal, to teach, to love through every pain. In every heart